How do I send reminders to all my learners? Sending reminders to all your learners is easy. By clicking Send Bulk Reminders to Learners, you will be taken to a page listing all incomplete courses that have been allocated to your learners. From here you can send multiple reminders to all learners that have not yet completed their courses. By ticking the boxes next to each of your learners' names, you can choose who to send reminders to and for what courses. Or you can tick the box labeled Select All on this table/page to select all currently visible learner courses. Then you can click the Select Here to send reminders to ticked courses button to send out reminders to your learners for the selected courses. If you want to filter this list by a group or class, simply click the drop-down, select the group or class you wish to filter by, and your new list should appear below. You can increase the number of learners that are visible by selecting the Page Size button at the bottom of the page and increasing the number. If you have more learner courses than can be displayed and you wish to send reminders to all your learners for all incomplete courses, just select all learner courses on the current page, click the Select Here to send reminders to ticked courses button to send reminders to learners, and then click the next page. You can then select all the learners' courses again and repeat until all learners have been sent reminders for incomplete courses. It's that easy. Remember, only the visible selected learners on the current table or page will be sent reminders. Any learners that are not on the current page will not be selected and not be sent reminders if you have used the Select All button. You can also send reminders to individuals about incomplete courses on the Learner Reports and Course Allocations pages by selecting the Send Reminder button for added convenience.